3 minutes! 2 Etons right next to each other. My Eton, my grandparents' Eton. This one has TV and AM/FM.
Offshore into Thursday. The St. Johns River at Castor is forecast to remain in moderate flood stage into the weekend. The river at Sanford and at Geneva above Lake Harney are forecast to reach or remain in action stage through late week and into the weekend. Spotter information statement. Spotter activation will not be needed today and tonight.
2 minutes.
Temporary reopening of the commercial fishing season for red snapper in South Atlantic federal waters. The red snapper commercial sector will reopen on October 6, 2023 and will remain open through October 9, 2023.
Epilepsy warning. K92, 90.7, K92, Z88.3. That on? Oh, this is me.
Marine Fisheries Service at 727-824-5305. The forecast.
Winding the toy box. Winding the music box.
Tonight. Today, partly cloudy in the morning and early.
T-minus 1 minute.
A chance of showers. Hazy. Highs in the mid-80s. Northeast winds 10 to 15 miles per hour with gusts up to 25 miles per hour. Chance of rain 40%. Tonight.
Bro, not even the sign would work on this.
Showers. Lows in the mid-70s. Northeast winds 10 to 15 miles per hour with gusts up to 25 miles per hour, decreasing to 5 to 10 miles per hour after midnight. Chance of rain.
On. But test. 220. Here we go.
10 miles per hour.
Emergency alert system issued by the federal.
Saturday, partly sunny. Highs in the upper 80s.
From 2:20 to 2:40 p.m. Eastern.
Lows in the lower.
There goes 90.
No action is required by
There
the
goes
public.
There goes 90.7.
This is a nationwide test of the emergency alert system.
ZA's off.
Federal Emergency Management Agency, covering the United States from 2:20 to 2:40 p.m. Eastern Time. This is only a test. No action is required by the public.
Rate.
Whoa! Whoa! Z went up in the air.
84 degrees, east wind at 8 miles per hour. In Vero Beach, it was partly sunny. Temperature 84, wind northeast at 15 miles per hour. In Fort Pierce, mostly sunny. 83, wind northeast at 8 miles per hour. Stewart, with showers. 82. Endo, most.
Wow.